Right now, Kentucky is facing a critical shortage of nurses. With an aging population and an increasing demand for healthcare, hospitals and clinics are struggling to meet the needs of the most vulnerable.
Nurses aren't just caregivers, they're leaders, advocates, and essential parts of the healthcare system. And most of all, they're the compassionate face at the bedside, facing the best and the worst with patients and their families. In my experience, I've learned that nursing is far more than a career, it is a calling. You are meeting people in their most desperate situations, bringing them hope, one interaction at a time. This rigorous program will challenge you, pushing you outside of your comfort zone and into the real world.
Because the healthcare industry doesn't just need another pair of hands. It needs your compassionate heart, critical mind, and servant spirit to make an impact in the life of every patient you encounter. At Asbury, we believe in equipping you for the call of nursing. The world needs your compassion. Our nursing program embodies this mission, preparing skilled healthcare professionals with a Christ-centered education to make an impact in the lives of every patient they encounter.